Come on back. Get him in that truck. Get him in that truck. Bitch, we were racing them motherfuckers just zoom past. I said, bro, what the fuck? Hey, Tour.
So, man, we out here, man. Get a couple runs in, man. We met up with these boys on the highway, man, and we're finna do what it do, man. Pretty cool dudes, man. And they ain't on shit, we ain't on shit. Me and Sammy out here, and Hellcat motherfucker out here, and we finna do what it do, baby. Sam, you think you got him? Who that? Yeah! He trying to race Sammy. Loud as fuck. He's like some Nitos, ain't it? Good meat. Oh yeah, he ready to run. Head out to Mexico, man, and get some clips and hopefully get some good runs, man. And give y'all something to see. Hey, who? Audi. That's hers? Damn. That's a female Audi. Female giant. Damn. She ride like this. Clean, dang. Look at this bitch. Oh, I love that front tag. I love that. Okay. So what, Sam, you want him?
On the white car.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, y'all said that's an 8?
I don't know. That looks more like a. I don't know. That's like a half.
Hey, tell him to come up.
Tell him to look up right up there.
It's a 3.5.
That look like a 3.5.
I was like, hell, 4 poles, 8?
Yeah. All right. Damn, I kind of want to go over there. Fuck it. Ah, my J's. All right, let me go talk to let me go coach him right quick.
Talk to him.
Leave it a little bit softer, Sammy.